Have you come across any red, round, silver scaly lesion, particularly on the elbow, knee, tummy, and the scalp? These are the typical lesions of the psoriasis. We have to understand that psoriasis is a lifelong condition. We can control it, but we cannot cure it. It is just like diabetes and the blood pressure that we have to keep in control. We cannot remove it. If anyone tell you that he can permanently cure the psoriasis, that means he is telling lie or he has no knowledge about the psoriasis. Our main aim in the treatment of the psoriasis is to keep the psoriasis under control with minimum or no medicine. In many patients, psoriasis can be kept in control without any medications for few years to many years also. Mainly genetic and environmental factors greatly affect the clinical development of the psoriasis. There are many types of the psoriasis, but today we are going to discuss about which are the factors that is responsible for flare up the psoriasis, so it can worsen your psoriasis. So when you know about these triggering factors, you can control the psoriasis to very much extent. First is dry and cold weather. What we have noticed that particularly in the winter season, number of the psoriasis patients visiting to our clinics rise to many folds. In winter, weather is very dry and cold. Due to that, there is a worsening of the psoriasis. You have to use the warm water for the bath. Do not use very hot water, as hot water will make your skin much drier. You have to keep your bathing times limited to 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. Whenever you take bath, immediate after bathing, apply good moisturizer. Apply moisturizer 2 to 3 times a day or whenever you feel your skin is dry. During winter, to protect your skin from the cold and dry weather, you should wear the full clothes with gloves, socks and hat on the head. When there is a skin damage, skin trauma is there, you may develop the new lesion of the psoriasis at the site of the injury. This lesion may develop 2-3 weeks after the injury. So you have to avoid physical, chemical, mechanical or thermal injury to the skin. Be careful to avoid any type of the cut, bruise, blister, burns, scratch marks, scratch, sunburn or any other type of the insect bite. If you have any skin injury, take the treatment quickly. Whenever you are shaving your hair on the body, be careful to avoid any damage to the skin. Another triggering factor is stress. Psoriasis is stress sensitive. So when there is a worry, tension or emotional disturbance is there, psoriasis flare up is there. So you have to find out your way to manage your stress. You can do exercise, yoga, pranayam, meditation, gratitude practice also. You should avoid alcohol and smoking. Alcohol can cause the liver damage. Excessive alcohol when taken with the medicine of the psoriasis can cause the side effect and flare up the psoriasis. Chances of the flare up of the disease and side effect of the medicine is very high when you take the alcohol. You should avoid smoking and also avoid the indirect smoking by avoiding the person who used to smoke. Smoking can cause 3-4 fold rise in the severity of the psoriasis. Sunlight is a two-edged sword. When you take the sunlight in very limited and the therapeutic dose, it's helpful in the psoriasis. When you take excessive sunlight for the long time, it causes the sunburn and the chances of the flare up of the psoriasis is very high. Infection is one of the most common reasons for the flare up of the psoriasis, particularly in the children. So when we see the psoriasis in children, we have to think about the infection first. Ear infection, tonsil infection, throat infection, upper respiratory tract infection can aggravate the psoriasis. So whenever this infection is there, you have to take the treatment very quickly. Some of the medicine are there that can cause the psoriasis or flare up the psoriasis. So medicine like the beta blocker, painkillers, AC inhibitors, lithium, medicine that used in the treatment of the malaria like the chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, interferon medicine, that to be avoided. Now there is a fashion of tattooing and body piercing. If you have the psoriasis, you must avoid the tattoo and body piercing. tattooing and piercing damage our skin, and at the site of the tattooing or piercing you develop the psoriasis patches. You should maintain your body weight. If you have the very overweight or obesity is there, then there is a very high chances of the severe psoriasis. You need to take very high dose of the medicine and chances of the side effect is very high. You must keep your weight in control by exercise and diet control. Let's see about the diet. In psoriasis, there is no particularly diet you must avoid. But in allergy cases, we avoid many types of the food. But in psoriasis, you should reduce intake of red meat, refined sugar and saturated fat. Dietary supplement like the omega-3 fatty acid, fish oil, vitamin D and evening primrose oil is very helpful for the psoriasis patient, particularly when taken for the 6th week. You should consult your dermatologist before taking this medicine. These are the common triggers which are responsible for the flare-up of the psoriasis. So when you are applying regular moisturizer on your skin, when you treat any infection, when you avoid any type of the stress, when you control your body weight and avoid alcohol and smoking, your psoriasis will definitely keep in control. There are many treatment options for the psoriasis like the creams, oral medicine, biologics, phototherapy. Your dermatologist will examine you and give you the best available medicine. What I have observed that those patients who take regular care of their skin and avoid these triggering factors, they give very excellent response to the medicine, and many of my patients, they can remain the psoriasis free for very long time without any medication. So if you have any query or question regarding psoriasis, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want more educative and informative videos like this on skin and hair related problem, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.